everyone. Happy Monday. It's time for the Monday meal. Chef Yoda the dog here, and today's Monday meal is from our friend Mama T Speaks on YouTube. So my mom's going to put her video for this recipe in the description box below. This is zucchini fries, but we made them keto, so you'll have to wait and see how my mom did that. But they were delicious, so you know how much I love fries. Anyway, so you guys need to check this one out. And if you like French fries but can't have them, because of the carbs, check these out and give them a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, as Yoda said, we are making some zucchini fries. We got the recipe from our friend Mama T Speaks on YouTube. I'm going to link her video in the description box below. But she used 4 eggs. I used 4 just eggs, which is 3 tablespoons per egg, because I'm allergic to eggs. And you make a dredge here for that, and then you make your breadcrumbs. So we've got these pork panko breadcrumbs. They're actually pork rinds, because we're making this keto. And then we used some smoked paprika. We used some of the blend. We used Miller's gourmet steak seasoning, and we used some Italian seasoning. And we mix that together with the breadcrumbs. Then you put the zucchini. I used 4 organic zucchinis from Walmart. They were kind of smaller. She used 3. So you slice them up, put them in the egg mixture, then put them in the breadcrumbs. So you can see this is what it looks like. And then we're gonna use the air fryer and at 350 for 8 minutes. So we're getting our air fryer heated up here. And then we're gonna do that for 8 minutes, and I'll show you the finished product. This is them. Now I had to bump it up to 400 degrees and do like half the time that way, like another 5 minutes. So, and they're still like not as crispy as I would like, but they're like potatoes, like French fries. They're just not crispy. So, but that is the zucchini fries, and they taste really good. Hopefully you guys give them a try. Happy Monday.